Well, hello and welcome to this quick tip. It's on how to secure your plastic sheathing so that it doesn't slip when you're doing your tile work. Roll title. Well, that's a mess, but let's look over here. An old tip that I came up with years ago. I'm sure I'm not the only one to do this, or the original, but I just take my scissors, pinch up, and cut a square. Because in this case, I'm not going to have something to keep it from slipping around. Focus, camera, focus. I like it when it does what I tell it. So then I just take a piece of masking tape and tape over the hole, which actually tapes the plastic down without having it moved. Does that make sense to you? Hey, appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, if you will, subscribe to the channel, either the YouTube or the Rumble channel, which this appears in. And if you can, check the notification bell or settings to make sure that you get notified when new videos are posted. Appreciate it.